After you've selected a color, you've got to figure out how much to buy. It's important to purchase enough paint to complete your project without a large amount of leftover product. To estimate the amount of paint needed for your project, follow the steps in this section or visit Behr.com to use the handy paint calculator.
1 gallon of Behr interior paint is enough to cover up to 400 square feet of surface area.
You may require more paint if you are painting a porous surface, a rough or textured surface, an unpainted surface, or making a dramatic color change, such as changing a white wall to a deep or vibrant color. Choosing a deep or intense color may require multiple coats or the use of a tinted primer. Behr colors that require a tinted primer or multiple coats are marked with a symbol on the color chip. You may require less paint if you are painting a smooth surface, a primed or sealed surface, if you are not making a dramatic color change, or have a room with many unpaintable features on the wall, such as window panes. Please note that specialty Behr products, such as texture paint or faux finishes, have unique application techniques and will require different amounts of product. Consult the back of the label for specifics. To estimate the size of your ceiling area, first measure the width of your room. This ceiling is 12 feet wide. Next, measure the length of your room. This room is 10 feet long. To determine the total ceiling area, multiply the width and length measurements. 12 feet wide times 10 feet long is 120 square feet. So, 1 gallon would be enough to put 2 coats on this ceiling. To estimate the size of your wall area, first measure the perimeter of the entire room. This room has 4 walls that are 10 feet long and 12 feet wide. That's 44 feet. Next, measure the height of your wall. This one is 10 feet. To determine the total area, multiply the perimeter measurement by the height of your room. In this example, the 44-foot perimeter times the 10-foot wall height equals 440 square feet. An average window is 15 square feet, and an average door is 20 square feet. You can subtract doorways and windows from your wall area calculation for a more accurate estimate. To calculate the amount of paint for trim, first measure the total length of trim for all expanses of baseboard, door, window trim, and molding. If you are painting the trim the same color, add all the lengths of trim for your entire room for a total length. For example, you might have 92 feet of trim of various types. One estimate of trim width is 6 inches wide, or half a foot. Your trim may be wider or narrower, but this will provide a rough estimate. Multiply your total trim length by 0.5 feet. In this room, there's approximately 46 square feet of trim. We'll need 1 quart of paint to put 1 coat on the trim. This should give you all the information you need for determining how much paint to buy. Remember, you can also use our online paint calculator on Behr.com.